Hello, I'm Jessica Ryan Keeney. I am the Department of Child Support Services attorney for Lassen County and Plumas County, two very small Northern California counties. What I'm about to say today is not legal advice. It is for educational purposes only. Be sure to ask questions of an attorney who can answer your questions specific to your legal case. Go ahead, like the video, ding the bell, subscribe, make sure that you get notifications when we upload new videos. Today, we're going to talk about liquidation orders in child support cases. So what is a liquidation on arrears order in a child support case? Well, it's an order that's made that's intended to help you pay down the child support arrears balance, so the unpaid past due child support. Now, oftentimes the liquidation order will be as much as the interest that accrues each month plus an additional sum to help pay down the principal as well. Sometimes it will be exactly what interest is each month. Sometimes it'll be less than interest is each month. Let's say that you have a $10,000 arrears balance. I don't know what the interest would actually be on that each month. We're not here for the math. We're here for the discussion. So let's just say that interest accrues at a rate of $50 per month. Now, you may see a county ask for $50 per month in a liquidation order. You may see them ask for $200, $100, or $25. Just depends on the situation and what the county is asking for. So let's use the example that the county gets an order for a $25 a month liquidation order. What's that going to do? That's going to help pay down some of the arrears. But the bummer is in our example, the interest is accruing at more than $25 per month. So if you're not making additional payments above and beyond that liquidation order, your interest is not going to be covered. Your account or your arrears are going to continue to grow because of the interest due. And if you're not paying your current child support, that arrears balance is going to continue to grow. The liquidation order doesn't mean that that's all the Department of Child Support Services can collect to pay off the arrears. It means that you are to pay no less than that amount. So in this example, you are to pay no less than $25 per month toward your arrears. Now, does interest accrue on the liquidation order? No, interest does not accrue on the liquidation order itself. Interest continues to accrue on the past due child support, so on that arrears balance, and the liquidation order is there to help pay off some, hopefully all of the interest, and help pay down that arrears balance. Does the liquidation order increase the arrears balance owed? No, the liquidation order does not increase the arrears balance owed. Now, here's the bummer. If interest is accruing at a rate greater than your liquidation order, so your liquidation order is for $25 and interest is accruing at $50 per month, your arrears balance is going to continue to increase. But that's not because of the liquidation order. That's because you're just not paying enough to cover interest plus principal. Does the liquidation order increase the monthly amount owed? Yes, it does. So let's say that current child support is $0 per month, but you have a liquidation order for $25 per month. That means that you owe no less than $25 per month to the department, or if the department's not involved, to the other parent. Now, let's say current child support is $100 a month and there's a $25 liquidation order. You owe $125 per month. Now, keep in mind that's no less than $25 in this example. You owe no less than the liquidation amount. The department can use all legal means allowed to collect all of the arrears balance that you owe. It's a video for another day, but examples of things that the department may legally do to collect that arrears balance is levy bank accounts, garnish wages, intercept tax refunds, take driver's licenses, whatever the department can legally do to collect that arrears balance, they will, despite having the liquidation order. Why does the department get a liquidation order? Well, as I've explained, it's so that they get an order that covers at least some of the interest, hopefully all of the interest, plus some of the principal to help pay down those arrears. But what's the cold hard truth of the matter on these liquidation orders? Well, it means that even once child support is set to zero, there's a moneyed order hanging out there that parties can be contempted on. So make sure that you're always paying your child support order, both current and your liquidation order. So if you have any other questions regarding liquidation orders as they relate to child support, go ahead, put them in the comments. Whatever we answer will not be legal advice, but it always leads to a good discussion, and who knows, it may be a video for a future day. And if you would like to see any particular child support related videos, go ahead and let us know in the comments. We may do your topic at some future date. Actually, if you have any family law related videos that you would like to see, go ahead and let us know in the comments. We will do child support videos on this channel, but you might see your other family law related videos on another channel. Again, go ahead, like the video, go ahead and subscribe, click the bell so that you get notifications when we upload new videos. Thank you for tuning in.